fast I can do the floss.
Holy!
Whoa, that's fast.
What about you, Angel? Can you do that?
No. Can't. I got a new game. I need a different. It's like a piano game. What? It's my turn.
How the heck can you do the floss that fast?
I don't know who's teaching it. No. At school, my friend
What is
Shannon,
that kind of dance? Whoa, the Orange Justice? Is that what that is?
My friend Shannon, he can do the floss really, really fast. He used to. Can you do this? Class, but then he's not. So.
Okay. Angel.
Boing. Angel. That's how I do the Fisher. Oh, okay. I can do it. I got a cramp. Look, every time I run really fast, I'll almost hit him in the face. Look, guys.
Whoa.
Oh, it's hot. We went apple picking last week, and we got really, really lots of apples because I picked the most.
I picked only 3.
And
apple.
My mom said we can make apple crisp and eat it.
It's so good in the dessert.
We never tried it before.
Well,
so it's something new.
Make it.
So it's something new.
Your teacher said you can make some apple crisp?
No, she's gonna make it.
She's going to make apple crisp? When?
Like on Monday.
So tomorrow at school?
Yeah, because there's a new student in our class.
Yeah, and you got a stove and everything in your class, you may.
Yeah, and a microwave.
Yeah.
And the sink.
Ooh.
Actually, we're gonna help her maybe.
Yeah, that's what I used to
Yeah.
do.
Here, sit on my lap.
All right, you guys ready to go out and get the ingredients ready?
No! Yeah! I'm so excited!
Okay. If you didn't watch our video of apple picking, you go back and watch it, and it's called
Chris gets hit by an apple in his neck. That's what happened at apple picking. Laura threw it.
Oh,
and I was in the head, and I didn't even see nothing.
I know.
First, when we get started, you always need an adult to cut up the apples and to turn on the stove. Now let's get started. That's what we do first, Mom.
Okay. Show everybody the ingredients.
Here's sugar. Here's this.
That's oats. And you got flour and salt.
And this.
That's, yep, leave it. That's the flour.
Oh,
And cinnamon.
what's it? Where's
I have the cinnamon. And brown sugar.
yummy?
Mm-hmm.
It smells bad.
Not brown sugar. It smells yummy.
Yeah. Oh. What's this bowl for?
That's for you to mix all the stuff together before you put the apples in it.
Then we have to mash it up.
Yep. So first we started with 6.
Apple.
How many? 6 apples.
6 apples.
And we cut them up.
We cut them up. And now it makes a lot.
Yeah.
So where do we start? We leave the recipe down in
The description.
description down below. First, we're going to start on the apple, then flour. Turn on the oven, then put on the flour.
So we turn the oven on. We set it to 375. 375. Okay, so we're going to start with the flour. So we need, get the scooper.
This?
No, the red scooper, yeah. We need 3/4 of a cup of flour. Don't spill it. Shake it inside the... Here, Mommy, help you. Gotta kind of level it out. Okay.
Now I can.
Okay, you... Now we need, just listen, just wait. We need only half, because... Okay, here, this will make it easier for you. So that was half. Get the black one. Get the black one. And, oops, and fill that one. knocking the bowl over. You gotta be careful. You're gonna have a messy, messy kitchen.
Clean it.
Don't flick flour everywhere. Okay, make sure it all gets in the bowl. Make sure it all gets in the bowl. Yeah, good job. That's all we need for flour. All right. Next, we're gonna go with the oats. We need to put the oats.
What oats? Now we're going to start with the oats.
Okay, grab your bag of oats.
With this. Now.
Okay, yeah. Half a cup, yeah. So make sure that's nice and level. Like fill it nice to.
There. I like cooking with my mom
You do.
in a video.
Yeah. Okay, that's good. Yeah. Pour it in there.
How much?
Just the one. Just like that. Okay.
There.
Now put the oats up there. And now brown sugar.
Brown sugar.
Oh, so we needed half a cup of oats. Now we need 1/3 cup.
Let's use this.
No, we need the cup, honey. 1/3 cup of brown
Let's
sugar.
open this. Now we're going to use brown sugar. I can't even get it.
Just try.
Can I break it open?
Yeah, if you have to.
I need it. Oh, it smells like peppermint.
Well, it doesn't smell like peppermint. Uh-huh. You coming to help? Okay, get in there.
Too.
I didn't see what you did. It's got to be one full. Okay, just fill it one. You can't. It's okay if you have. Let Davy fill that one.
Here.
Let him fill it.
It's too.
It's okay. Gotta be careful in the kitchen.
I didn't. I didn't want to the sharpen.
Just fill it like to the edge, like that's overflowing. Okay, that's good. That's good. That's good.
There.
There.
Now move, baby.
No, 1 second.
Yeah. This already smells good.
Mm.
I really want to do cinnamon and salt. Let's start with the salt.
No, we're starting with the cinnamon.
We have cinnamon.
Honey, the cinnamon was in your hand.
That's the
Silly girl. David.
cinnamon.
Yep, so do one level. But that's good. Just do one whole scoop. Do one. Davy can do one.
It smells so good.
So we're doing, it calls for 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon.
There.
But you can never have too much. I love cinnamon.
Me too.
All right, now the salt.
My turn. Let's go.
Let David. David, just half. Okay, we cannot have too much salt. Only half of that. Half. Just do half. Half a teaspoon
Can I
of
do
salt.
the butter?
Let me see. You need more than that.
I know.
Let me see. That's good. Yep.
I
That's
thought
good.
cinnamon was clear.
All right. Get the spoon and you can take turns stirring it.
We're not done yet. The butter. The butter's.
Well, this is what we're doing first. This is what the recipe says.
It smells weird.
It's the cinnamon.
Can I
Okay,
smell now? Pepper.
Yeah, just mix it carefully.
Well, it looks so cool already. It smells like what? Pepper.
Okay, let Angel have a turn.
The cinnamon smells like pepper.
It's just spice, honey.
It's too hard to stir.
No, it's easy. I can get another spoon.
All right, we're gonna start on the next part of it.
It's my turn.
Okay, so we're doing the butter or margarine.
I'm standing right.
We need half a cup
Come on, stop.
when it's full.
Why don't you just scoop it with the big thing?
It's easier to use the back side of the spoon.
No, like scoop it with
No, honey,
this.
no.
Oh, because that's metal and that's plastic? You can do.
Hold the handle of it. Yeah, there you go.
My mom always does. This
And
is actually funny.
And I usually like to add a little bit extra of the butter.
We can.
Excuse me. Do you need some help?
No.
I'm not serving one of these ones.
You get and let Davy have a turn to help with the butter. Now it's Davy's turn.
There. Smooth it. It's all done though.
Nope, it's got to be filled up. That way, we all get to participate.
I can grab a huge chunk.
Well, not all of it. You're silly.
You need help.
See, just go like this. We try that first.
I like cooking with my mom. She's the best mom ever.
Look how easy it is.
It is, but honey, now it's going to be stuck inside the spoon. Use the back side of the spoon. It's the easiest way. That's okay. I'll get all that.
The back.
But it doesn't work when I use the back. So that's why I always.
Okay. Don't flick it. You'll end up with butter flying.
Like I'm taller than Davy.
Yep. Okay, get some more butter. Just get some more.
This is the
Get that
last
big
scoop.
chunk that's sitting there, yeah? Okay. Now just scoop that whole thing into the bowl.
Let's see.
The whole, Davy.
A little butter.
Yeah, scoop all of that into there.
Little butter. After what is it?
Okay.
After the apples and me.
What you're gonna do is, you're gonna get a fork.
And scoop it out.
No.
Stir it.
Yeah.
Here, I'll get a fork.
Yep, you just keep like pushing it.
Mom. Look at the big chunk.
Okay, don't flick it because I don't want it to flick out of the bowl.
Hi, Angel.
Well, that's easy. Go like this.
Yep.
Get off it.
This is what I would.
You can do this with your hands if you want. Not you.
Who?
Anybody else that's making the recipe.
I don't want to do.
Okay, let Davy have a turn to
Wait.
do that. No, don't flick it.
Can people do it with their hands?
Yes, people can do it with their hands.
Why is it
I want to try
Angel
a
not?
piece.
And it's not cooked. Look, Angel. Look at this. Watch. Just scrape that off.
This is all margarine.
Yeah. Don't bang, David, because you're gonna get
Holy
margarine
tamale.
flying.
It tastes so good.
Okay. Yep, you just gotta push it down. You gotta push it down with your fork. Like this, look. Like this. No. Like, look.
No, look, scrape.
No, you just do like this, because this makes the crisp part.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, you just
Why
gotta.
can't you just do this?
No, you just gotta do like
This might
this.
take all night.
No, see, you're flicking it out. Do it like I said.
My mom helped us, and our crisp is all done. Like
That's
what? I already took a bite of it. Mom let me.
Okay.
Now let's do the apples. Then the sugar.
Okay, put the apples there. No. We're gonna put the sugar in the apples, honey. So grab the sugar.
You sure?
Yeah, that's the sugar.
Oh,
You can put the crisp up on the counter.
where's the crisp? Oh, right here. You crispy? Stay here.
Okay. Get the black measuring.
How much?
Okay, so 1/4 cup of salt. So fill it up. Make sure it's full. All the way full. All the way full. You need more.
There.
Okay, yep. Pour it in there. Just pour it in there. Just dump it, okay, so you don't spill it?
Another one.
Nope. Okay, so now we're going to do the cinnamon and some salt.
No, this one.
Angel?
Okay, let's start. How much scoop?
2, I said. So we need 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt. because that helps bring out and the salt and the sugar, and that helps bring out, yep, out all the juices of the apple. One more. Okay, dump it in there. That's why you don't sprinkle everywhere. You just dump. Now grab a little bit more salt.
Oh,
No, you don't fill it all the way to the top because you only spilled a little bit. That's too much.
I dump a little bit more.
Okay. Did you dump the whole thing that you had in it? Why would you do that? I told you you had too much.
I sprinkled some in here.
All right, now we're gonna do the cinnamon.
Where's the cinnamon?
It's over here.
Like this.
1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, but no, listen. Here, Mommy's gonna do the cinnamon, okay? No, Mommy's gonna do the cinnamon because I know I just want to sprinkle it. I know I like lots of cinnamon, so there you go.
The cinnamon smells
All right.
so good.
So get the spoon. Get the spoon.
Okay, where is it?
It's over
It
here.
smells like pepper. And stir it.
Stir it very carefully, please.
It's cinnamon. It smells like peppermint.
It doesn't smell like peppermint.
To me,
Okay.
it smells good. Smells a
Okay.
little.
Mommy's gonna help mix that, okay?
Now we're going to dump it carefully into the bit.
The pan. Okay.
Pan. Now let's go.
Carefully. Just carefully, please.
This would be easier.
Would you like Mommy to do it?
You
Yeah.
can just scoop it then put it in, right?
Don't spill it.
Why is the oven hot?
Because the oven is ready for us to bake. Pay attention to what you're doing. Don't look at the oven.
Get in there.
Don't hold it up so high because you're going to spill. Okay.
Now it's Dave's turn. He's going to put the crust on top. And look at it. It looks like, the juice on it.
Yes, it gets juicy. Carefully so you don't spill the crisp.
Wait, there's still cinnamon.
Nope, it's just the way it's supposed to be. Oh, yes. Go ahead and mix it if you want. I added more cinnamon to it and I forgot to stir it. Okay.
I wish I could eat it right now.
All right, that's good.
Whoa, Mom, might take all night.
Carefully, don't spill it.
I want to bite after.
When it's done. Carefully do that, Davy.
Can I have a bite after this?
All right.
Now,
Now, Mommy's going to put it in the oven.
There's still more.
Yeah, Mommy's going to put it in the oven, and then we will be back to show you what it looks like when it is done.
I tasted it. I wish you could smell this. It smells like so good.
Smells delicious, doesn't it?
Yes.
Get back. It's hot
It
still.
smells like apple cinnamon.
It does,
It
because that's
smells
what it is. Apple cinnamon.
It just smells like cinnamon. I wish I could eat it now.
Let's show
Let's
everybody.
eat it
Into a
tomorrow.
giant. Look, I'm a giant now.
All we need is some vanilla ice cream to go with
Now I'm a
it.
mini giant.
What do you mean? Oh my goodness, you don't know what you're missing. I'm going to have to teach you. Vanilla ice cream with it is delicious.
Hit that thumbs up, subscribe, hit that notification
Notification bell.
Bye. See you
Tomorrow. Hope you liked our video, guys.